Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by ensuring your carrier and device support Wi-Fi calling, because that authorization lets calls route over the network instead of cellular. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network, choose 5 GHz when available for less interference, and then open settings and turn on Wi-Fi calling. You're doing this now so the phone can register the service with your carrier. Once the toggle is enabled, your device will attempt to prefer Wi-Fi when cellular signal is weak. You place the call exactly like a normal call. Open the phone app and dial or tap a contact. While the call connects, pay attention to the status indicator. Many phones show a Wi-Fi calling icon or Wi-Fi next to the carrier name, confirming the route. If the indicator appears, the audio travels over your internet connection, which reduces dropped calls in poor cellular areas. If you need higher quality, switch to HD voice or a carrier video option once the connection establishes. You finish calls the same way you always do. Tap End and confirm the call log shows Wi-Fi if you want to verify routing. If the call fails or drops, first toggle Wi-Fi off and on, reconnect to the network, or restart the phone so it can re-register with the carrier. These quick steps resolve registration glitches. If problems persist, check router settings like CoS and firewall rules, or contact your carrier to confirm provisioning. Doing that narrows whether the issue is device, network, or carrier side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.